Place the data from the tables in a matrix for each. Find how many more students are enrolled in athletics for each grade level by gender by subtracting the matrices and showing the differences in the matrix. Determine whether the subtraction of matrices is commutative. Okay, so we have athletics enrollment and band enrollment, and we want to know the difference between how many girls and boys enroll in each. Looks like the band enrollment is smaller than athletics enrollment, and so let's go ahead and take athletics enrollment and subtract the band because that way we'll end up with the positive difference of students. And so let's go ahead and put these into matrices. Notice that these both these tables have the same ninth, 10th, and so on rows and columns in their tables. And so we can just put in the corresponding numbers into matrices. And so notice now I'm just on the second table, 58, 51, 46, and 35. So we've gone ahead and put these into matrices, and now I can subtract them to find the difference. And so to subtract, we just take the corresponding entries and we subtract them. So we just take row 1, column 1 of the first table, subtracting row 1, column 1 of the second table. So 74 minus 52, and then we'll subtract these in just a minute in another matrix. So 66 minus 48, 57 minus 46, and so on. Subtracting these numbers, 74 minus 52 gives us 22, 66 minus 48 gives us 18, and so on. We can go ahead and fill these in. And so now we want to check, now that we have this matrix, we want to check, are these commutative? So could we switch this order and would it still be the same answer? And so basically we just end up switching each of these numbers. So instead of 74 minus 52, we'd have 52 minus 74, 48 minus 66. 46 minus 57, and so on. So now that we've switched the order of all these, when we subtract, well, 52 minus 74, well, that actually gives us negative 22. 48 minus 66 gives us negative 18. 46 minus 57, negative 11. So we really have completely different numbers. We have negative numbers, and those are, even though, it's negative 27 versus positive 27, those are not the same. And so just as with normal numbers, then these, matrices are not commutative with subtraction. And so now we have our answer in this first matrix, the differences between the boys and girls. And so we can go ahead and summarize our answer. No, matrix subtraction isn't commutative. The matrix that results from m sub 1 minus m sub 2 is not the same as the matrix resulting from m sub 2 minus m sub 1. To answer the question, m sub 1 minus m sub 2 is needed. M sub 1 minus M sub 2 equals 22, 18, 11, 4, 27, 27, 27, 33.